In this video, guys, I'm going to show you my results with FunnelFreedom.io. This is a brand new software for affiliate marketers and used to promote multiple affiliate products and offers. The cool thing about this software is that we just need to copy and paste our affiliate links and then send traffic to an opt-in page. But more importantly, I just got my first commission utilizing this software. As you can see on the screen, guys, I earned $3 from the 72-hour challenge. So the 72-hour challenge is this training, and this training teaches people how to start affiliate marketing and how to set up and start running this system in just 3 days. So the first day is the Freedom to Roadmap, which is affiliate marketing success stories. The day number 2 is the automated sales system, in which you are going to learn how to set up this system using this software, FunnelFreedom.io. So this is a brand new software that Jonathan is going to launch on this month. And the only thing we need to do is to copy and paste our affiliate links. For example, as you can see, this is my affiliate link for the 72-hour challenge. This is for Freedom Accelerator. This is for Funnel Freedom, which is this software. We have also Secrets of Success, which is a training of Russell Brunson, in which people are learning how to get a success mindset. And we have all of these softwares and products that Funnel Freedom is going to promote using a Northern system. So let me show you. If I click on automation, because I want to show you that the only thing I did was to drive traffic to an opt-in page, and I'm giving away a free course that Jonathan has created for his affiliates. And so we just need to send traffic to that opt-in page, and it worked. So if I click on white label course, so you can see we have here this email sequence. For example, this is a 60-day Northern sequence, and these two sequences, so these are the two sequences that are published, and I have 6 people enrolled. So I got that commission after collecting the 6 leads. So the 6 contact bought from me the 72-hour challenge, and I have 3 active enrolled here and 3 active enrolled here. So if I click on welcome sequence, you can see that this system has already set up all these emails, and we just need to send traffic to the opt-in page. So let me click here on builder. Okay. Okay, so this is the email sequence. If the form is submitted for the free course opt-in, it's going to add a tag to the contact with this word, Freedom Ascension opt-in, and then this software is going to send the welcome email with the course access. Then it's going to wait for 1 day, and as you can see on the screen, I have here 1 person. Then it's going to send the 72-hour challenge, which is the email number 2. It's going to wait for another day, and as you can see, I have here another person. And then it's going to send the email number 3, which is a personal email backstory. It's going to wait for 2 days, and it's going to send the supporting offer number 2, the 7-hour challenge. It's going to wait for 1 day, and I have 1 person waiting here. And then it's going to send the email number 5, the power of short form video content. So this is email to give value to the subscriber. Then it's going to wait for 2 days, and then people are going to go to the workflow FFS01. So if I click on back to workflows, so let's find out which is this one, FFS01. If I click here, we're going to see the email sequence of this workflow. So which is really powerful because I didn't write all these emails. So these emails have been added for the team, have been added. So the team support added this email sequence. Okay, then the person is going to receive the legendary marketer supporting offer number 2. So I need to put my affiliate link for this software because I didn't do that and I need to do that as soon as possible. Then I have one person waiting here. Then the software is going to wait for 1 day to send a review for legendary marketer. Then it's going to wait for another day and it's going to send my secret quora free traffic method. So as you can see, I have 2 people here, and then it's going to wait for 2 days, and people are going to receive the unfair tools to automate the business. And I have here all these emails that are ready to send to my contacts. Now, if I click on sites, I'm going to show you the opt-in page, which is this one, Freedom Ascension, mapping your 9 to 5 exit strategy. And I'm sending traffic to this opt-in page and it's working. So people click here, they want to take the free course, and when people put their information here, fundingfreedom.io send the link for the free course that I didn't create. I'm using the leverage of Jonathan Montoya. So he created this free course with 7 modules. And we can give this information as a lead magnet because you need to give something in exchange for the email because it's really hard for people to give you the email if you are not going to give nothing. Okay, so that means that this system is working, and I'm going to keep updating content about the software because let's see. And I'm testing it and it's working really good because we just need to work on the traffic side of affiliate marketing. It's really good, guys. So the launch is going to be on this month. If you want to get access to this software, I'm going to put a link in the description of this video so you can have access to the waitlist because now we are testing it to see how it works and it's working. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, like and subscribe, and talk to you soon.